Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Oats are one of the best plant-based sources of protein. Overnight oats is a high-quality and powerful breakfast option, loaded with many nutrients, high fiber, complex carbs and powerful protein. This overnight oats recipe is easy to make, and on having this will promote increased energy levels and help in the muscle growth and recovery. This is a perfect pre-workout breakfast for athletes and gym goers. This healthy, delicious protein and carbs combo will give you energy you need for a killer workout. You can also take overnight oats as a post-workout meal. You can watch that recipe in our coming videos in this channel. So, today I want to share a healthy, protein-packed and fiber-rich overnight oats recipe. It is a pre-workout recipe and you can have this 1 to 2 hours before the workout session begins. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a glass container, add 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 2 dates chopped, 2 tablespoons of gajar grated. Add this into it and mix all these things well. Then add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 cup of thick almond milk into it. Here I have made it by grinding 15 soaked almonds in 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Then add 15 to 20 dried blueberries and 1 teaspoon of unsweetened choco chips and mix it well. Now close the lid tightly and keep it in your refrigerator and let it soak overnight. The next morning, open the lid and see the oats and all the seeds are well soaked. Here, I am adding extra milk into it to loosen the mixture and to bring it to eatable consistency. Mix it well. You can add any milk of your choice. Now let us add some fruit and nuts like strawberry slices, banana slices, walnuts and almond bits, and finally pomegranate seeds. Our healthy, protein-packed and fiber-rich pre-workout breakfast is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.